Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we are very happy to see you here today. Today, we're celebrating on Walt this beautiful Patreon project we put together for a few months called Solar Flare. It measures 72 by 72, and the winner, we went through a few choices. And this is a circle meander. It's going to stitch out in a nice gray thread, and I have a nice gray textured backing to go with it. And of course, it's wide back, and it's going to be beautiful. So we'll just let Walt do its stuff here, so you can see what he's going to got going on. Okay. And this was a lovely and easy project to put together. The kit was bought via Craftsy, though it's called Blueprint now, and I just thought it was a nice little triangle challenge. I really like this whole center bit here. And, you know, life is full of challenges, and the kit was on sale. I'm a bargainer. And if you can find a deal, then go for it, right? So, and a lot of collection of the bits and bobs left over from these quilt kits have gone into my collection, which I'm assuming all year of 2020 is going to be another scrap busting year. So I can see a lot of these other colors coming back into play in other quilt projects for sure. It was fun. It was very fun to put together. A little paper piecing in this tiny triangle here, but other than that, it was very easy to use the template, cut with the template. I made many templates just because there were so many triangles to deal with. It seemed safe for me to make, you know, 7 or 8 of the triangles, these ones here, and then just once got a little bit too many pins in it or too many holes or wasn't holding together correctly, then I just used another one. So and that was definitely the way to go. Poly batting in here. I didn't have enough of the white 80-20, and I didn't want any of just the tan of the 80-20 to shine through on this beautiful white fabric. So, and that's just going to be Walt stitching the rest of it out. It looks beautiful. Love it. So this is row 2 that he's working on right now. And of course, you set it up the way it's going to be, do 4 rows all the way across. So it's a nice, hopefully it'll be nice and comfy and cozy, and it'll go on a bed or on a couch, or hopefully it gets used. So, and congratulations to Elizabeth. You are the winner of this, and she knows it. We've chatted. She's very excited. So Walt's just going to finish the row. You get a chance to watch it, and I just want to say thank you to everybody, and especially our Patreon subscribers, and help us out there. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. So take care, and we will see you on Weekend Project, and then of course our live stream where we're going to continue working on the big purple Dresden flower that we're working on for my mom's night nurse. Okay? So take care, enjoy the beautiful colors. Have a great day, everybody. See you later.